The following is a fan-created dub made purely for the sake of entertainment, and if you've never heard the word fuck before, you certainly will now. Viewer discretion advised.
Those are the cowardly sinners, dare not hinder my territorial takeover. A wise decision, the power of my machines are unmatched. No other demon can compare to the likes of I.
Gee, that was pretty swell, boss. Yeah, you really showed them what for. I liked when you shot them with your ray gun. I wish he'd shoot me with his ray gun.
At this rate, I will seize control of the entire west side of the pentagram by day's end, and nothing, not a single beast in this inferno of suffering will be able to take back this empire from my constrictive grasp. Oh, boy! Hell will be mine, and everybody will know the name of Serpents. Edgelord! Pardon? Who said that? What did you just say to me, you fried chicken fetuses? Speak up!
That wasn't us, Mr. Boss Man.
You looking for a fight, old man? Why don't you get that Tinker Toy bullshit off my turf before I smash it? More. Oh, you want to go, Missy? Well, I'm happy to oblige.